In this video, I'll show you how to add a clickable link to a Facebook post step by step. Sharing a clickable link is a great way to direct people to your website, online store, blog, or another web page. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap Create Post or What's on Your Mind. To start a new post, type your message, then paste the full website address, such as directly into the post. Facebook will automatically generate a link preview if the website supports it and the preview is available. Wait a few moments for the preview to load before making any changes. Once the preview appears, you can continue editing your caption if needed. Review your post to make sure the link and preview are correct. Then tap Post or Publish to share it with your audience. Anyone who sees your post can tap the link preview or the web address to visit the website. If a preview doesn't appear, double-check that the web address is correct and that the website is publicly accessible. Keep in mind that some websites may not generate a preview due to their own settings or technical limitations. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.